Okay, what do we have today?
If you need a board-to-board connector that's robust, compact, and flexible, then you need Phoenix Contact's FINEPITCH series. FINEPITCH connectors, available with 0.8 or 1.27mm pitch, have a long wipe length to address a wide range of stack heights, and the housing design permits a large compensation tolerance. FINEPITCH 0.8 has a unique vibration-proof double contact, supports data rates up to 16 gigabits per second, and is shielded to protect against interference. FINEPITCH 1.27 is offered in horizontal and vertical variants, so you can arrange PCBs however you want. Mezzanine, mother-daughter, and coplanar configurations are all possible, and a female IDC connector permits ribbon cable installations as well. FINEPITCH 1.27 uses a latching mechanism on the cable side of the connector to protect against vibration.